The purpose of this video is to demonstrate the My Vessel List functionality in the new Genscape Vessel Tracker cockpit. The My Vessel List function can be used to organize individual vessels into groups. You can access this by clicking on the vessel icon here on the right. By clicking on that, it opens up a list of groups that have already been set up. On the top here, I can see whether I want to see just these vessels on a map or all vessels. So right now we're looking at just the LNG vessels, and I can turn that on or off by clicking on this eye icon here. There's currently 476 vessels in the LNG group, and by clicking on the group name, I can see each individual vessel. By clicking on this down arrow here, I get a list of all the additional functions I can do for this vessel. I can turn off this vessel so I can actually hide it from the map itself. I can add a particular comment to the vessel. I can move the vessel from one group, I can copy the vessel from one group to another, or I can move it to another group, or I can actually delete it and get rid of it. Now to set up a new group, you simply type in the group that you want in this search box here, hit the save icon, and I now have my new group called test. And as you can see, it has 0 vessels in the group. So by clicking on the group and this drop down icon here, this down arrow, I can add vessels to this group. So I can either add them individually by IMO or I can bulk upload. And in this case, I'm going to bulk upload. So from Excel, I've got a list of CAPE IMOs that I'd like to add. So I simply select these and copy these IMOs. And now I've got 20 vessels I can add to the group. So now, as you can see, I've got 20 vessels in my test group. And to show them on the map, I'm going to hide the LNG vessels and only show my test vessels. So now I'm looking at just the 20 test vessels on the map.